Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. I'm building the best and free Python tutorial on YouTube and internet so that everybody can master my Python with me. This is part where we are going to start coding and simplest code, which is hello world. Let's get started. Before we start coding, I want to thank you for continued support to me and my channel. Please do like, comment, share on the videos. If you're preparing for the full stack interview series, make sure that you get your full stack interview question answer series book at arctutorials.gumroad.com. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. This is part 3 of the series. Earlier part we have completed the introduction and the installation of the PyCharm and Python. If you have missed out that episode, make sure that you go through it in order to complete this series. Today we are starting coding and we'll write a simple hello world. Alright, so the objective of today's episode is to show you the PyCharm editor, also to show you how to create a project, how to create a new file, what are the file requirements, and then write a simple code and execute it. That's what we will do today. Let's get started. I'm going to fire up my PyCharm. That's the editor we are using for this tutorial. It's a free version. You can download it. I've shown it in the earlier video. First thing you'll do is click on new project. It will ask you to enter the new project. I'm going to enter the name of the project. Let's call it Arc Learning Python and hit enter, and it will open up this editor for you, and you can see the project name. You can switch between projects here. You can see the version control. You can expand and see the console. You can see the packages, modules, terminal, and much more. We'll go through each one of it as we navigate. Today, the first thing we'll do is click on this icon to create a new file. And the file we are going to create is a Python file, and let's call it hello.py. You can give any name you want. That does not matter. Make sure that you don't have any special characters and all that, just like any other programming language. Or the simplest thing you can do is give a proper naming to it. In this case, it's hello. Remember, the extension should always be .py, which stands for Python. Okay. Once you have it, hit enter. It will open up that file for you, which is hello.py. You can also see it under the project. All right. Now, first on the line, you will write print bracket and then double quotes, and you will write hello world, close the double quotes, close the angle bracket. Now, here a couple of things to note. This is a simple piece of code we are starting with. We are using an inbuilt method called print, and we are passing a string. Now, what is a string? Anything that you write between double quotes or single quotes. Okay, I can write in between single quotes also. This is perfectly all right. Or I can use double quotes and write hello world. This is also perfect. You can write any text or string inside this. Okay, words basically. Now these can have anything like number, special character, whatever, because it's just a string. Now, a lot of people will make this mistake, which is if you're coming from other programming languages, you will end up writing semicolon. You don't need that in Python. Okay. To save, you in Mac you will write Command S. In Windows machine you will press Control S, save it. You can go to File, Save All. That's all. That also you can do. Once you have done it, now we will learn how to run it. So go to Run and execute the first command, which is run the file name, which is hello world hello.py. In the background, what it does is it will execute Python space file name. That's what it does in the background. So once you run it, you can see it here. The output it is showing, which is hello. That's what we are asking it to print. Now you can ask it to print anything, save it again and go to run and run. Now you would see the output as hello world. This is just the starting, and this is all you need for today. If you have achieved this much, you can accelerate your learning and move fast now. This is the absolute basic that you need to run to check your setup, to check your editor. I hope it's clear. I hope you have reached this far. If you have, the rest of the learning, I will make it very, very easy for you. All right. Again, you don't need to buy professional license. I'm using a free one. If you want, you can buy a pro one, but I'm using free one. Okay. That's all you need for today. Okay. Now, in the next episode, my mistake. In the next episode, we are going to learn about data types, and then we'll learn comments and further stuff. Okay. So join me in the next episode. We'll learn about data types. Thank you.